Here we have our trunk, okay, so everything down the center. We've got our spine, and we can see from the spine it's kind of S-shaped from the side. From the back it's fairly straight. We have our cervical vertebra here, C1 through to C7. We have a thoracic vertebra here, T1 through to T12, so we have 12 of those. Then we have our lumbar vertebra here, L1 to L5. So with 24 individual bones of the vertebral column. And then at the bottom of the vertebral column we have another 5 fused bones here called the sacrum. And then at the tip we have our coccyx, and we have 4 bones in the coccyx. So 33 bones all together. Let's have a look at our ribs then. So from here we can see we have the first rib down to our 12th floating rib. So we have 12 pairs of ribs coming off them thoracic vertebra, and they all meet at this bone here, made up of 3 bones actually, but we just call it the sternum. Our breastbone is the sternum. So off that then we have our collarbone here called the clavicle, and that meets with this bone on the back, our shoulder blade, or the spinal process of the shoulder blade, called the scapula. And those two are going to articulate with their arm to form the shoulder joint. From the bottom of the spine, articulating with the sacrum, we have our left and right hip bones. We can just call them pelvic bones for the time being, the pelvis.